So this one actually took the most amount of time but had the least amount of steps because they're all just really repetitive, to be honest. For the first step, I'm going to be blocking out my brows, which if you guys want a separate video on that, I will definitely make one. But besides that, this is just a quick run through, and then I'm coming with my NYX Jumbo eye pencil in Black Bean and covering that all over my eye, even a little bit up to my eyebrow, which is why I wanted to cover it, and then just blending that out with both a black eyeshadow and a very, very dark purple, even when in with a little bit of pink, just because I found it was a little bit too cool toned, I guess. And if you've been on my channel for any length of time, then you probably know damn well that anything I like to do to the top, I also really like to do to the bottom. Topping my eyes off with a little bit of mascara to both the top and bottom lashes, and then continuing on to the face after I make a little bit of exorcism happen in my eyes. Now with this, I'm going to be coming in with a eyebrow pencil. This is just what I've used to map out exactly where I'm putting the lines, which is going to be followed up with a red water activated paint. This I find helps with any look when you want to map it out, because this is a lot easier to take off because it's just general makeup than with the water activated paint. But I am coming in with a Fab, which is a face and body paint, and I'm going to be adding that in. And if you happen to make any mistakes, which I mean I definitely do constantly, definitely just come in with a Q-tip with a little bit of, let's say, water on it, and then continue on from there. Don't let the editing of this fool you. This definitely took me, I would say, probably about 2 hours altogether. Like I said, it's a very quick tutorial to learn, but it was a very long, repetitive steps to keep doing it and doing it and doing it. Yes, sir, that's what repetitive means. And hey, while I have you guys here and we're not really doing anything besides, you know, watching endless torture, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'd love to have you stick around through Halloween and watch every single tutorial that I have done this year. And if you get bored, or you know you're up for it after this one or even before this one, pause this guy and go see all my Halloween videos. There's quite a few of them from the years past. Now welcome back, and it's time to throw in some shade. I am using the same black eyeshadow that I used on my eyes, and I'm just basically going a little bit around each of the edges where the two lines will intersect together. I'm making sure that each shadow uses a different brush or a different side of the brush, so no two shadows actually look the same, because obviously no two shadows are exactly the same, except for Peter Pan shadow. That's exactly the same every single time. Now some of you may know that I've actually done a pinhead look on my channel before. That one was a little bit more intricate. This one is a little bit more fun. I wanted to add something to it. So instead of using pins on my face, I'm going to be using rhinestones. And in order to attach them, I'm going to be using spirit gum. And basically just spirit gumming any place that two of the red lines intersect. And then once it gets tacky, I'm placing the rhinestone on top of there. For even more glam onto this, I'm adding a black liquid lipstick. This is Zero from Sugar Pill, and I'm just lining my lips with it because it does have a nice little pointer on it. Then again, spirit gum on my shoulders in a downwards motion, and then putting little spikes. These actually are the same type of spikes that you would put onto pants or like a clothing item, but I instead got them off of Amazon and just put them on my shoulders. They did have a flat back, so it was super easy. Can't make any recommendations on the longevity of these, but I also don't really recommend going out for Halloween and, you know, going all around in this time of year. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and Halloween on my channel so far, and happy Halloween in general.